Welcome to my channel Rides Book. The 1940 GMC pickup truck stands as a testament to American craftsmanship and durability. As one of the most iconic workhorses of its era, this truck combined rugged capability with classic styling, making it a favorite among farmers, tradesmen, and collectors alike. With its distinctive Art Deco-inspired design and dependable inline-six engine, the 1940 GMC pickup remains a beloved symbol of pre-war automotive engineering. Under the hood, the 1940 GMC pickup was powered by a reliable inline-six engine, offering a balance of power and efficiency for the time. With horsepower ratings ranging from 85 to 100, this truck was built to handle the demands of heavy loads and rough terrain. The 3-speed manual transmission provided smooth gear shifts, while its sturdy suspension and solid rear axle ensured durability on long hauls and farm work. Though not a speed demon, it delivered the torque needed for tough jobs, making it a dependable partner for the working class. The 1940 GMC pickup was a masterpiece of early automotive styling. Its bold front grille, accented with vertical chrome bars, gave it a distinguished and commanding presence on the road. The rounded fenders, streamlined hood, and curvaceous body lines reflected the Art Deco influence of the era. Available in a variety of colors, this truck could be seen in deep greens, classic blacks, and rich reds, often adorned with GMC's signature badging. Its wooden bed, reinforced with steel strips, added both functionality and vintage charm, making it a standout among pre-war pickups. Inside, the 1940 GMC pickup was built for simplicity and practicality. The cabin featured a no-nonsense dashboard with basic gauges for speed, fuel level, and engine temperature. A large steering wheel, typical of the time, provided good leverage for maneuvering. The bench seat, covered in durable vinyl or cloth, could accommodate 2 to 3 passengers, offering a surprisingly comfortable ride. While luxury was not a priority, the truck's utilitarian layout made it easy to maintain and ideal for daily work use. For its time, the 1940 GMC pickup was reasonably efficient, thanks to its lightweight design and modestly powered inline-six engine. It delivered an estimated 10 to 15 miles per gallon, which was competitive for a truck in the pre-war era. Though fuel economy was not a major selling point back then, this GMC model was designed to maximize utility while keeping operating costs manageable for hardworking owners. The 1940 GMC pickup truck remains a classic icon of American automotive history. With its blend of rugged performance, stylish design, and practical features, it continues to be a favorite among vintage truck enthusiasts and collectors. Whether restored to showroom condition or preserved as a working relic of the past, this pre-war GMC pickup represents an era when trucks were built to last. Owning one today is more than just having a classic vehicle, it's preserving a piece of history on 4 wheels.